FieldLink version 6.9 now allows for connected, efficient, and simple SCAN to BIM analysis. Connect as-built conditions to any model with improved inspection analysis. If issues are seen, efficiently export that inspection cloud directly to any CAD or BIM software. Working with the same easy-to-use layout software, scanning and processing is done in the field. Additional improvements include grid line setup support, meaning you can set your scanner up on control lines. The ability to turn off self-leveling so you can still scan in dynamic vibrating environments without the 3-second self-leveling giving an objection. Adjustable tolerance settings for refine reports, giving clarity to scan accuracy needs. Also format a new SD card through FieldLink, simplifying the expanding of your data needs. Please reach out to your nearest Building Point representative for additional information. Thanks.